I come from England last year. Mr. Dalrymple, the MP for Trelawney then, pay me to dig that hole to put my rubbish.
Yes.
Because as the Prime Minister said, he want every part of this country to have a pickup system. Ma'am, about 2 weeks ago, I have seen racism that I've never seen in England. The man come out of my yard, come see where I pile the rubbish, and he sent take picture of me. And the girl, where was it in?
Which man?
From another paper, the Star.
Oh.
And the lady have the tape like she listen to what me say. And I agree with me. And not one mention, ma'am, was mentioned in the paper. Everybody else who was playing domino was mentioned. Not one of what I want. A clean-up system. I can't come out here and pay for the hole no more. I've been maintaining it, me and Mr. Paul Carr there, to maintain that hole so the water can run. Andrew Walling, I need to talk to you because there's some bad things that are going on. I'm the Prime Minister and I love you. But I need to confront you and tell you where you're going. Them racists. This is a racist community, whether it's because of my success or what. But I've suffered racism up there that I've never seen in England. And you have a motto that out of many wear one, tear it up, nothing no go so. I said, tear it up, nothing no go so. I've gone as far as asking them, if a youth was born in Quickstep and grew up in Kingston, is he a Kingstonian? They said no. I said, then how I was born here till I was 17, and I go to England and no call me English and no treat me like English and no jealous of me. It hurts, man. I was out there now crying when they come and get me. But God is great.
Yes.
God is great because I'm out there right now planting scallion. And the tears in my eyes. See him there? Ask him.
Yeah, man,
and he come and say, cut. And right away you turn him. God is great. Get this to Andrew Holding from me. Get this to Mr. Dalrymple. I am here. And I'm going to tell them I'm going nowhere.
Okay, so you don't have a garbage?
No garbage. I show you.
And no garbage truck to collect the garbage or anything like that?
I told you. This is what I come here and dig, man, with my own money.
So you have to dig this with your money?
My own money, man. Ask them.
This pit was done by him, you know. So
all this would have been
this is all the garbage is
all I'm asking, I pay tax. All I'm asking, ma'am, is fairness for my money that me pay.
Yes, so you need them to come in and collect the garbage in the community.
I will make sure the boy them put them out any Monday them a come. I will even buy them the black bags.
Yeah, even most of the time.
That's all I ask, man.
We up here.
I don't want nothing from them. I just want
somewhere you can put your garbage. Because yes.
What me I go do when this will, and you can see it.
So as a returning resident, this is not acceptable.
This is not what I'm used to. This I'm living a slavery life right now, man.
Yes.
I'm living a slavery life. And nobody up here would give me Miss Dalrymple over here now. I'm asking for Miss Dalrymple because last year when Miss Dalrymple paid me 5,000, hold on, 5,000 to do this.
Yes.
She said when you come back, she never know. Mr. Simpson, when you come back, contact me. And from I come here, that is how them wicked. All I wanted to meet Miss Dalrymple and sit down and explain what I want.
Yes.
Decency and a proper
the truck
service.
to come up here and to collect the garbage.
Once every 2 months.
So everybody can have them garbage on the front. And then now they pick up everything.
Me make sure me buy the black bags them give them. And have them put out there if them come every Monday, last Monday of the month.
Yes.
We know we want every month, man. We don't need one every week, man. We need one every 2 months.
Every 2 months.
That's not too much to ask.
So they more than can assist because they have nowhere to throw your garbage.
Well,
look at it now.
On the land, man. Make sure you get hold of it. It hurts us.
Yeah, man. So
I'm telling you, other day, right in front of the house, all the peelings and things pile up, then we burn it and then we throw it on the land. There's nothing else I can do. All I need is a service to the tax authority.
Yes.
Mr. Holding, my great Prime Minister, I love you. A long time me follow your career, you and Damien Crawford career. Many, many years. He make a fool of himself. I love him still. But you see, you do the right thing. And you have this country for the next 40 years. These are the right things, Mr. Andrew Holding.
Help to collect the garbage.
This is a health issue right now.
Assistance.
This is a health issue because we can't cover it. They can throw up on it again. I don't know what rats or anything around on it at night and I do this thing.
Yes, and then
Work with me.
In forest, sometimes the gullies is where we go and expose our garbage in the gullies. And
so you have to go to the gully and throw away the garbage and stuff like that.
We need the garbage collecting service for really coming out of the area and them really, because that even help to preserve the forest. You see what I say? And protect the water system. Because sometimes we use even the sinkholes to dispose the garbage, and the sinkhole is a ventilator for the rivers and the seas and all of that. So if we throw the garbage in that thing, it's gonna lead up to the seas just the same. So we need those things, the garbage collecting and all of that and so on in the cockpit area. So if you can come forward and do something for we, yeah man, it would have great, you understand? Yeah man, me nah lie.
Alright.
One more thing I have to say to you, man. Yes. You see, quick step, it's a very great community.
Yeah.
But you see, we have a problem. Although there's no Trelawney behind this shop. And when them have to come to Trelawney, from Trelawney, they have to drive through Manchester and St. Elizabeth and a mash up the road.
Yeah.
To go back at Trelawney. That is slavery mentality. That is stupid.
Slavery mentality.
That is stupid. You're supposed to drive out at Trelawney to St. Anne's to anywhere.
So
When we leave St. Elizabeth, ma'am, we go to crossing.
Yeah. So we have a issue.
We take right to Westmoreland, we take left to Manchester. We don't have to go back in Trelawney and Manchester or anything to come in. This piece of thing we are going out there, you have to go to 2 parishes to get back in your parish.
No,
Them they think, tell Mr. Holding to come down here, man.
Yeah.
Tell him come down here, the people down here, if you need to see the MP or him. We have issues.
Who is the MP for the area?
You have Mr. Slowly and you have Dalrymple. So they are the representative for this surrounding circle here.
Tell them,
we have like 4 representatives. So we have like Mr. Slowly for St. Elizabeth side, and we have Mr. Dalrymple for
the Trelawney side.
So this community should be a real strong community.
Because we rule by the 2 sides. We rule by labor. So we rule by both sides is ruled by labor. Tell them, man, we have issues.
So we have
tell them so the people of Quickstep have serious issue, and it's them. It's on their hands.
This could be
not we. It's in their hands to set us free because they have we still in slavery.
In slavery and such like.
We are still in bondage, ma'am.
Yes.
Because I come out here and COVID kept me. I shouldn't be here. I come out here. I should have returned me. I phoned up my high commissioner and said, Mr. Simpson, I wouldn't advise you to travel. Then my prime minister go say the prettiest thing me ever hear. Tania on a yard, not stay at home.
Tania on a yard.
Tania on a yard. And that resonated with me. And I thought, yeah, that's what I want to hear from my prime minister. None of the pretty English used with natural patois. And when him say, oh no, for Tania on a yard, all I can tell you, ma'am, is like Tania on a yard.
Oh, okay.
And this is it.
All right, let me.